Natalie saves $25 every month. How much money does she save in 12 months? Because you're combining to find the answer, and you're combining 25 groups of 12, that's a multiplication equation. So it's 12 times 25, or it could be 25 times 12. There are several ways to complete this. One way is the standard algorithm, and another way is the area model. I'm going to show you the area model. I'm going to break apart 12 as 10 and 2. I'm going to break apart 25 as 20 and 5, completing my model of my array. 10 times 20 is 200. 5 times 10 is 50. 2 times 20 is 40. And 2 times 5 is 10. Adding those partial products up, my answer is 300. We could also do the standard algorithm. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. Park my 0 because now I'm multiplying in the tens place. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. And again, I get 300.